Welcome back to Nartech, the world of heavy machines. Today we've got something truly remarkable in store that'll make you wonder if you can even believe what you're seeing. Stay tuned to witness the incredible capabilities of these modern giants that are light years ahead of what we knew decades ago. So, are you ready to explore the latest advancements in heavy machines? Let's roll! This heavy-duty excavator is truly a mechanical marvel, with its jaw-dropping power and mammoth size. With the capacity to mine 10 tons of coal per hour, this machine efficiently operates like thousands of laborers combined. It's actually a champion in the surface mining operations. The Rammer 3288 is an absolute rock-crushing monster, weighing a staggering 5 tons with a mind-blowing torque of 32,000 nanometers and a unique oscillation frequency ranging from 380 to 700 strokes per minute. It's truly in a league of its own. It's like a relentless titan, shattering rocks with unparalleled precision and force, setting new standards for the industry. The next machine, the Tesmec M5 Mechanical Trencher, is a reliable and versatile machine designed for trenching in various soil types and ground conditions. Its robustness and efficiency make it a dependable solution for a wide range of digging tasks. This heavy-duty saw is designed for cutting and breaking massive stone blocks. Its sheer power and precision make it a formidable tool, like 1,000 skilled laborers working in unison. This enables workers to safely and effectively operate, ensuring both precision and safety in every cut. The SF Hacker HEM 821 DQ Cobra is like a wood-devouring monster, making short work of even the toughest timber. With its raw power and monstrous size, it has a jaw-dropping capacity and can process wood materials with ease. This state-of-the-art technology represents a giant leap forward in the industry. Unbelievable efficiency. The John Deere S690 harvester is an absolute marvel of modern agriculture. With its immense capacity, it can effortlessly harvest tens of tons in just 1 hour. This incredible machine is like a harvesting titan, making light work of fields and setting new standards for productivity. The irrigation system of this vast field, spanning dozens of hectares, is truly a hydraulic marvel. Its immense network of pipes, pumps and sprinklers ensures every corner receives water, showcasing modern agricultural efficiency, a masterpiece of irrigation. If you're finding this journey into the realm of modern machinery both surprising and awe-inspiring, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell. That way you won't miss out on more jaw-dropping videos like this. The Fendt Vario 828 Soil Plow, featuring 16 plow blades, operates as a true titan of soil turning. With its powerful engine, it effortlessly tills the earth to depths ranging from 16 to 40 centimeters, significantly enhancing farming efficiency. This is a revolutionary piece of modern farming technology. The root excavating machine, expertly eradicating subterranean plant roots. It's a vital tool for land maintenance. Its ability to delve deep below the soil and eliminate stubborn roots. This efficient equipment ensures that no remnants remain beneath the surface. The Caterpillar D11T bulldozer is a colossal earth-moving marvel. With its immense power and impressive size, it's like a land-shaping titan, leveling terrain with ease. The sheer scale and efficiency of this machine are truly remarkable, making it a standout in the industry. The Endraqueb AQ4 QL Rock Crusher is like a rock-demolishing titan. With its exceptional crushing capabilities, it reduces stones to rubble with ease. It's a state-of-the-art rock-crushing technology that leaves a lasting impact, an absolute game-changer. The MRS-20 Circular Concrete Breaker, with its massive circular saw blade, is a concrete crushing beast. Its performance is truly astounding, setting new standards in excavation. This state-of-the-art technology is a game-changer for the construction and mining industries, providing efficiency beyond belief. The Caterpillar Cat 980K wheel loader, with its incredible capacity, easily gathers tons of minerals in one bucket. This earth-moving powerhouse is an efficiency revolution, redefining mining operations with its exceptional performance. A game-changing heavy machine making an unforgettable impact in mining. The hydraulic crusher is an automotive demolishing marvel, reducing cars to fragments in mere seconds. This rapid and efficient process is truly astonishing. This machine is like an automotive disassembling wizard, making quick work of even the most substantial vehicles. There are some jobs that are always going to require a little more power than one man and a shovel. And for those jobs, the pros call the Hitachi EX8006. This humongous mining excavator is seen here working. This machine is a concrete crushing specialist, breaking concrete with precision. With remarkable performance, this machine is like a concrete shattering maestro, achieving efficient results with every impact, a testament to modern concrete demolition technology. This high-capacity pesticide sprayer is a marvel, capable of treating tens of hectares in just 1 hour. Its efficiency is astounding, ensuring thorough coverage and protection for large areas. It's like a crop care giant, delivering exceptional results with remarkable speed. The Load-Quip WS450, designed for transporting massive excavators, can handle an astonishing 450 tons. With a loading process taking just 10 minutes, this colossal transporter is like a heavy lifting giant, optimizing time and cost savings. It's a game changer in the world of heavy equipment logistics, streamlining the transportation of mammoth machinery. An astounding feat of engineering. With a rock block weighing tens of tons, moving it was nearly impossible for humans in previous centuries. However, with this Cat 922K machine, it's a simple task. With its powerful 32C diesel engines, this machine, like a giant, can quickly and effortlessly move this rock block. The DMAC H185S excavator is a digging beast, tipping the scales at 185 tons, with a staggering power output of 1500 horsepower and the ability to move material at a maximum rate of 1800 cubic meters per hour. It's truly remarkable, setting a new standard for earth-moving equipment. The Bobcat Trencher, with its wheel saw attachment, is perfect for digging trenches up to 3 feet deep. Typically used for maintaining small to medium-sized construction projects, it's a versatile tool for creating precise and efficient trenches. This equipment is like a trench digging specialist, streamlining various construction tasks with ease. The Fendt Ideal 9T grain harvester is a rapid, all-encompassing grain and cereal harvesting marvel. It efficiently collects the entire yield from vast fields spanning hundreds of hectares in just a matter of hours. This colossal harvester is like a grain-gathering giant, revolutionizing the agricultural industry with its awe-inspiring efficiency. The Cat D7G Earth Grader, equipped with an engine delivering hundreds of horsepower, is a formidable force that can level and grade any type of soil or rock with precision. This versatile machine is like a giant beast, effortlessly taming diverse terrains. The Senebogen 781E tree branch cutter is an attention-grabbing advancement in the forestry sector. It can reach heights of up to 35 meters and has 360-degree rotating capability, effortlessly trimming even the tallest and most rugged tree branches. The SNP 18 snowplow is a common sight on major urban roads. This dependable machine is like a snow-clearing wizard, maintaining safe and clean city streets. It's an indispensable tool for winter maintenance, providing essential services to urban communities. The next Trencher D250, a precision trenching specialist, is designed for precision trenching with the ability to cut trenches as deep as 80 centimeters and 12 to 20 centimeters wide. The sealed design ensures safety for workers and minimizes dust emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice. The Oxbow 2475 corn harvester has a magical touch, making mazes dance to its tune, capable of harvesting an impressive 15 tons of corn in just 1 hour. This harvester is like a corn harvesting virtuoso, setting new standards for efficiency while preserving product excellence. The Uniforest DOO timber winch is capable of pulling an astounding force of up to 12 tons. It can effortlessly handle multiple trees simultaneously, making it like a timber taming titan, an impressive piece of machinery. The Fendt 924 General 6 fertilizer spreader boasts a unique design. This specialized equipment is like a precision fertilizer applicator, ensuring efficient and long-lasting distribution of nutrients, optimizing the fertilization process and contributing to sustainable farming practices. The Kara Raxis 255 USR LC excavator, specializing in deep trenching and excavation. It can effortlessly lift tens of cubic meters of soil with a single scoop, like a dirt-devouring giant, dramatically improving excavation efficiency, an extraordinary feat of engineering. The Top Turn X55 compost turner is a versatile machine, capable of turning and blending various types of organic materials. It's like a compost mixing maestro, ensuring thorough and efficient mixing of different compost ingredients and optimizing the decomposition process. An exceptional tool for environmental stewardship. The Zog Roblog 500 snowblower is a fast and efficient workhorse, commonly used for snow removal in places such as resorts and parks. This reliable machine is like a snow clearing champion, effectively maintaining clean and safe areas for visitors. An impressive piece of snow clearing equipment. The TW Log Stacker is a timber handling powerhouse. It can effortlessly lift to 31 tons in a single operation, making it like a wood-moving titan. This versatile equipment significantly enhances efficiency and streamlines the process of loading logs onto trucks. An impressive piece of heavy machinery. The GX EK60LP excavator is a true earth-moving marvel. Equipped with an astonishing powerful engine, it effortlessly digs to depths of up to 25 meters. This excavator is like a digging dynamo, redefining deep excavation capabilities while providing mobility and versatility, with the ability to self-mobilize to the job site. The Scania Chimera, equipped with a powerful V8 engine boasting 1400 horsepower, combined with cutting-edge technology from the future. It's capable of accelerating from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 5 seconds. This is a transportation marvel, excelling in both performance and excitement, an extraordinary machine in the transportation industry. The rotary dump truck, equipped with specialized designed wheels, and it can navigate on railway tracks, carrying a massive cargo load of tens of tons. It's a remarkable fusion of road and rail transportation technology, ensuring efficient and heavy-duty logistics. Behold, the Kobelco SK850 LC10, a colossal earth mover, standing tall at 3.7 meters, with a jaw-dropping 5.4 cubic meters bucket capacity. It's a true engineering marvel, a heavy-duty beast, and a testament to the cutting-edge technology of our time. With productivity that surpasses anything from the past, it equals the work of hundreds of laborers, leaving an indelible impression. Take a look at these giant lifting machines in action. Do you know their names? Please leave a comment below to share with everyone. Introducing the Allcon Series EL. It's a colossal trenching machine with a staggering 370 horsepower under the hood. it effortlessly digs through 102 to 180 cubic meters of earth in just 1 hour. This powerhouse of a machine is truly a standout, leaving you in awe of its remarkable performance. The Sandvik DL422IE is a state-of-the-art tunneling wall drill with dimensions of 11.4 meters in length and 2.4 meters in width. This machine delves into the earth, reaching depths of 1.7 meters with precision. Its modern design not only ensures impressive performance, but also prioritizes the safety of its operators. It's truly a remarkable piece of engineering. The multi-lift truck, with its intelligent design, effortlessly dumps its load of earth and rubble from the cargo bed. It's a smart solution for handling heavy materials, making the job look astonishingly simple. This innovation truly stands out, providing an impressive and efficient means of transporting and unloading. An incredibly versatile excavator with a flexible design, capable of effortlessly navigating any terrain, making even the most challenging landscapes look like a walk in the park. It's astonishing. Like a hungry beast, this crusher easily crushes an entire car in just a few seconds. Nothing can survive passing through this machine. With its special bucket design, meters of corn kernels are transferred to the truck bed in just one scoop. This machine can load this entire corn mountain onto the truck in just 1 hour. Have you ever seen an impressive machine like this before? This colossal machine effortlessly turns and compacts hay in the field into neat rows without any difficulty. It's truly an invaluable tool for farmers in the fields. Marvel at the Caterpillar 6060, a colossal earth-excavating behemoth, standing at a towering 12 meters and boasting an incredible 34 cubic meters of capacity. This is an unparalleled heavyweight equipped with cutting-edge technology. Its productivity surpasses the efforts of hundreds, delivering true awe-inspiring performance. The P&H excavator, a mammoth machine weighing in at 99 tons, operated by an intricate cable system. It can scoop up a staggering 67.2 cubic meters of earth and rock in a single motion. It's an astonishing testament to efficiency, truly exceeding all expectations. This movable barrier system seamlessly shifts barriers to a different lane, moving 5 to 10 miles of road barricades in just 1 hour. What's remarkable is that it can handle loads of up to 450 kilograms. It's a logistical wizard, defying expectations and ensuring swift traffic management. The concrete demolition machine works with incredible ease and efficiency, boasting astonishing power. There's nothing it can't conquer. It's truly a powerhouse, making even the most challenging tasks look like a breeze. This robust tractor-trailer can effortlessly haul dozens of cargo containers at once, navigating tight corners with ease. It's a true workhorse, a logistics marvel, and a testament to its immense power and agility. The Big Bud 16V747, an agricultural dinosaur. It tips the scales at a colossal 48 tons and roars with 900 horsepower, stretching an astounding 8.5 meters in length. It claims the title of the world's largest, exceeding all expectations and setting new standards for agricultural might. The Case IH 9230 harvester, with its massive dimensions and powerful engine, can harvest an astounding 15 tons of grain in just 1 hour. It's an agricultural titan, an embodiment of sheer strength and efficiency that leaves you in awe. The Gamaco GP3 is a colossal concrete road builder, with the ability to pave widths of up to 9.14 meters. It's a true giant. Equipped with modern sensors for precise size adjustments and navigation systems for effortless direction changes. It's a marvel of road construction. The Caterpillar 797F, a colossal mineral hauler, weighing a staggering 360 tons and powered by a mighty diesel engine. It can carry loads exceeding hundreds of tons. It's a true titan of mining, an engineering feat that defies expectations, setting the bar for massive load capacity. The mulcher in action, grinding tree stumps and soil to prepare for the upcoming planting season. It's a vital part of agricultural renewal, turning the old into fertile ground for the new season's crops. The Keys Track Stone Crusher effortlessly crushes all types of rocks with its powerful capacity and special design, making it a formidable competitor among its peers. It's a rock-crushing marvel, truly standing out in the world of stone crushers. The metal cutting machine can slice through various pipe sizes with ease, boasting a tremendous force of hundreds of HPs. Nothing can impede its remarkable cutting power, making it a true force to be reckoned with. The Hitachi S502 excavator, a common sight in coal mines, weighs in at 24 tons. It can effortlessly excavate 60 to 70 cubic meters and move thousands of tons of coal every hour. It's a workhorse of the mining industry, an embodiment of sheer productivity and efficiency. The snowplow train swiftly clears snow-covered roadways, ensuring rapid snow removal and restoring access to blocked routes. It's a winter savior, tirelessly working to keep the roads open and safe. And this is the end of our journey today in the incredible world of heavy machines. Which of these powerful giants impressed you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. And as the saying goes, in the world of heavy machines, precision and safety go hand in hand. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest heavy machine adventures. Goodbye!